You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me.
Yo, what is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's a beautiful day out, so you know your boy's already in the truck. This time it's not for the 135i. Back onto the wagon. I've been in talks with a guy for a couple months now over some parts that I really wanted, but I knew I didn't need at the moment. So we finally, after me flaking a couple times, I finally decided, you know what? Let's go pick him up, and he still has them, so it's a plus. So that means it was meant for me. When I show you guys what I got, you might ask some questions, but I'll explain later on in the video. Before I go meet up with him, I have to make a quick stop real quick. I gotta pick up some wheels. It's only 2 for now, and then I'll be grabbing the other 2 when my boy gets back in town. I'll most likely be running these on the wagon. I don't know whether if they will look good on the 1 Series or the wagon. I'm hoping the wagon, because I already have a new color and everything picked out for my wagon for when it's done. I think it will mesh really well with the wagon. I'm not gonna lie, I think it will. I can't sit here and basically tell you guys all my secrets I got planned with the wagon, because who does that? I don't do that. I promise you, I don't disappoint when it comes to a build. I never do. Oh yeah, full F80 interior acquired, baby. It's gonna be a little bit before I install these, because I just gotta make sure everything wiring wise is good with the wagon before we move ahead and put back the interior. I literally have everything, including the armrest, the door pulls, door cards, seats, everything. So I have had this interior basically sitting in my truck for a couple of days now. I've been so lazy to take it out, but we're gonna take it out today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to install it today, but I definitely do need it out my truck today. So here we have it, full F80 interior in all black, just the way I like it. Even came with the door cards. Now the reason why I was super stoked about picking this up was the rear shade for the rear windows. Oh my god, this wagon is gonna be nasty. But guys, I only paid $600 for all this. Yeah, dude, I was going back and forth with this guy for a couple of months, and I seen he still had them, and I was like, yo, I literally just, I don't want to risk it missing out on all this. So I was like, yo, let's meet up, and your boy made it happen. Literally last video we installed this F80 cluster, and she works just fine. All right, let's just do the test. Drive, there we go. And manual sport. If you haven't watched this video, make sure you go back in this top corner up here and watch that video. Honestly guys, this will be the 3rd day in a row that I've posted. Out of my 6-year YouTube career that I've been doing this, I've never posted 3 days in a row. So your boy's trying to be consistent. But as you can see, like, I gutted this car, and I absolutely had no reason to gut it because I ended up not swapping out my main body harness. I think since I already have all the interior out, I might as well just like get that vinyl fabric spray and just paint it all black before I install it. What do you guys think? I think all black would be pretty smooth, because as you can see, only thing is I gotta figure out how to take this out, but all this needs to get painted black. But guys, you guys can see my interior is a hell of a mess. Don't worry, I'm probably gonna get to it this weekend and put out a video for you guys. But basically guys, as you can see, I'm getting rid of all this little wood trim. Nobody wants that nasty wood trim. And on top of that, the leather is different as well, and you guys can see I don't have that shade for my stock one, so that'll be super clutch. This armrest is also gonna go. Also, I did not get front seats. Reason why I didn't get front seats is because I'm going to be going a carbon bucket route. No, not OEM BMW carbon bucket route. I don't have 10 grand to spend on seats alone. That's actually crazy. Salute to the guys who actually do that. I would love to do that, but not right now. I do have a carbon bucket option that I think will pair very well with this car. I really just wanted the F80 M3 interior. This car is going to be coming together for sure. At least while I'm waiting for body panels, we can get the interior together so that we don't have to really work on that. I have these blue calipers, M Sport upgraded calipers. Yeah, I'm not gonna run these anymore. I'm gonna just find a nice painted F80 set and throw them on the wagon. Comment below though, was this a steal or not? A full F80 interior for 600 bucks? Steal or no steal? Comment below. I do still have to tap in with my coder and make sure that everything in the car is working well, just because I haven't done it yet since I soldered those wires. But the car starts up fine. Like if you've seen the last video, it fires up every time. We're just getting closer and closer, and I know I'm not going to be able to install it in this video, but I just wanted to at least put out something so I stay a little consistent. But it's just coming together piece by piece, and I'm just taking my time, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to rush the build. So like, there's some things that I missed out on. Like, there's a set of coilovers for sale right now I seen on Facebook, some BC Racing ones, and I'm trying to see if I can get them down to $700. If I can get them down to $700, I will go pick those up this week. If we can get the first drive on this thing without the body panels on, that would be so nice. And I think I'm gonna try to make that happen. We got lots of 135 content, lots of wagon content. Not even happy for you guys, I'm happy for myself, because I have this much content like loaded up and I can't wait to put it out. But you guys have seen literally the whole documentary of this whole car. Even when it wasn't the build it is today, you guys have seen how far it came, and the fact that we're this close is like damn, sometimes I get teary-eyed. But I also got to take off this wrap because we would no longer be doing green. And on top of that, it's been on the car for quite a while. You can see it's bubbling in some areas. And on top of that, for the rear quarter, we're gonna need this exposed anyways. So thumbs up. You guys already know we got a GTS carbon fiber hood on it, looking beautiful. But yeah guys, we're getting so close. All we're missing is body panels and just coilovers. I already have some wheels, so yeah, look at this swap. The swap is already ready to go stage 2 out the gate. I've also wanted to show you, here's the mess. I literally have like so many parts like stacked up here. Like I've had these are from my 1 series, and I still haven't even installed these, and literally I have bought these like over a year ago, basically when I built the one I'm clone body on it. But I've had genuine F80 mirrors for like the longest now, honestly, like maybe 6-7 months. So when we install this interior this weekend, I'm also gonna throw those on. Sadly, I will not be installing any of this today. Your boy has work and I honestly won't have enough time and I won't finish. So I would rather leave a project like that for a day that I know I can give it my full attention and I don't have to go anywhere. So, but besides all that, I appreciate you guys tuning into this video. Let me know how you've been liking the content recently. Should I upload more often? Should I do like videos like this instead of just waiting for parts to be installed? Should I just come out with stuff out the blue? Whatever your heart desires, just comment below and let me know what you're thinking. I'll see you guys in the next one.